Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up dYdX trade setup and account funding options, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the dYdX website. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Check your inbox for a verification email from dYdX. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Next, log in to your newly created dYdX account. Now, it's time to set up your wallet. You can connect an existing Ethereum wallet such as MetaMask. If you don't have a wallet, you can follow the prompts to create one. Once your wallet is connected, navigate to the funding section. Choose the preferred method to fund your account. You can deposit Ethereum or other supported cryptocurrencies. For a quick deposit, consider using a centralized exchange. Transfer your chosen cryptocurrency to your dYdX address. Ensure the transfer is confirmed on the blockchain. After the transfer is complete, refresh your dYdX account. Check your account balance to verify the deposit. Now that your account is funded, you can start trading. Select the trading pair you wish to engage with. Review the market conditions and set your trading strategy. Place your orders based on your trading plan. Keep an eye on your positions and adjust as necessary. Always manage your risk and be mindful of market fluctuations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.